How to find gift cards on Roblox. What's up guys, I will show you how to do this. Follow and watch this video till the end. So open Roblox first, and after opening your Roblox you should go and click here on more. Right now you have to click on gift cards. It's going now to take you to this page, and right now you will read this: enjoy up to 25 more Robux with a gift card, and you choose your size, your amount, your kind of the card you want. Who is this for me or for a friend? Click add to cart, and you're gonna buy it, guys. So you have to add your some information here and click pick a gift card, also the language, and you have to finish the other step, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.